Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Cydia, and today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this curly wig that I received from Tinashe Hair. This video is sponsored by Tinashe as well. So this is what came in the packaging. There was a hair bonnet, a wig cap, some lashes, and I think some clips and edge brush. So I received a 24-inch 5x5 HD wig in deep wavy. I don't really think the lace is HD. It's like probably transparent. It's not as thin, but it's still nice and it blends nice with my skin. You guys are gonna see the install. It was flawless. It's probably one of my best install I've ever done with a wig. But this is what the hair looks like. It as I said, it's 5x5, and it has three clips, two at the side and one in the back. This fits really well. Like, it's really snug to my head. I went ahead and I bleached the knots off camera, and now I'm gonna wash it. Even if I didn't bleach the knots, I always wash my wig and bundles before I install them. So I washed the bleach out with some cleansing shampoo, and then I went in with some conditioner, and I let that hair dry until the next day. And then the next day, this is what the hair looks like. I used the Ruby Kisses contour palette, and I use it to tint the lace so it can match to my skin tone. Then I went ahead and I tweezed some of the hair from the hairline to make it look a little bit more natural. And I think this is self-explanatory. You guys, I'm pretty sure you guys seen a lot of hair tutorial, and this is kind of like watch me get ready or watch me transform kind of thing. You guys can check out Tinashe Hair. All the link is gonna be in the description bar and stuff. So this, as I said, this is a 24 deep wavy 5x5 HD lace closure wig in 180 density. And I really love how this came out, and I think it suits me. I always love side part with curly hair, and I always love curly hair on me, so it's perfect for springtime, summertime coming up, or vacation. It's for spring break. By the way, I use the ORS super old hairspray. That's good for wigs and stuff, and I use their cream styler as well for curly and wavy hair. So that's what I use to define my curls. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below and let me know if you like it. And take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.